All right, everyone, a quick update on BONK here. So BONK is looking extremely well here. It's looking very strong. Now, what I did here, it looks a little messy, but I just drew a simple fib from the high here to the low. And you can see that does give us some levels over this 1618. As I mentioned in the last update, it does not have to come all the way up to the 2272 and that $24 billion market cap. As you can see here, we do have some other targets. We have the 1618 at 78. I think it's going to go a lot higher than that. We have this much smaller 2272 that takes you up to 3018, which would be only a move out of this pattern here of about a 7x out of this pattern. But we are still looking, and I am still extremely bullish on BONK. And we're still looking for a move out of here from today. You know, if you bought in, then a $24 billion market cap, about a 16x, up to this much larger 2272, which is this little squiggly line playing out here. So I just wanted to point that out, that it does not have to come all the way up there. Of course, nobody knows what's going to happen here, but what we're watching here is the very bullish ascending triangle pattern. Something along the lines of this. You can see we dip down below that 1414. We're holding the uptrend here. And something like this is, in my opinion, going to play out to where we're going to bounce around. You can see we have this line right here at 2.5, to where we're just kind of consolidating here in this pattern. When the price gets squeezed near the apex of the pattern, I have no idea when that is going to be. You can see that if we go to the very end and squeeze every last drop out of it, that could take us into September, October of this year before this thing decides to blast out of here. But this is what I'm looking for. As long as these prices hold up, the 1414 at 2.1, which we are back over now. And then, as I've been mentioning, we could pull this all the way down to here and push the narrative just a little bit to the wicks here with this bottom. And we could end up coming back down here over the next week or two, down to the other green line here that is at 16. So we're taking it day to day here on the channel. We're updating it pretty much every day here, and we are very closely watching this pattern here. So yeah, I am very bullish on BONK at this point. We're looking for a very strong move out of here. And as long as we hold up, I would say now's the time to be accumulating some BONK here, because once you break over the 1618 over this red box, it's too late at that point, because I think a giant green candle is going to spawn in, and you're going to have everybody talking about BONK, and everybody's going to be buying in that giant green candle, and they're going to get left holding the bags here, because we knew to buy in down here in this bullish pattern here, and they're going to be buying up here somewhere, and then the top's going to be in, and that's it. So what are your thoughts on BONK? None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.